Hi everybody. I'd like to talk to you about something that happened to me a couple of weeks ago, and it almost cost me a lot of money. I want to share this because I know this is something that a lot of people have, and it pertains to this here. Okay, this is called an oil pressure sensor, or it's referred to as a low oil pressure sensor. And they install these on engines of various sizes. And basically the way it works is this threaded end here, that just screws into the block of the engine, and then you can see the electrical connections here. And the way it works is if your engine is running and you run low on oil, then it will automatically shut your engine off so that you don't seize up your engine or blow a rod or do major damage to your engine. So what happened to me was a couple weeks ago, this is on my generator. I went to do my regular monthly test. I started the generator up. I came back inside and I went back out after a couple of minutes. And all of the oil from my crankcase, which was 1.5 quarts, had dumped onto the concrete floor that my generator sits on. Of course, I shut the engine off right away, and I was absolutely shocked. I've never had anything like this happen. And initially I thought that something had cracked on the case, but the engine was running fine. So to make a long story short, as I continued to look further into it and investigate what the problem was, it turned out that this was the culprit here. And basically it had failed. And I've never heard of anything like this failing. But apparently it happens because it happens to me. Now how often it happens, I don't know. Maybe it's happening every day and I've just never heard of it. But the scary part is, as the engine was running, this seal here, okay, that seal gave way and oil started leaking out of this joint, and it emptied 1.5 quarts of oil within just a couple minutes. It's kind of scary. What's even scarier is when this happens, because you have lost the functionality of this, if this seal goes, the engine continues to run. My engine didn't shut off. It just kept running. So, you know, I don't know what to tell you other than what I did was I always make it a habit to check my oil every time I start any kind of engine up. And so I removed this. I took this entire part off the generator, and where this screws into the block, I just put in a plug. But I just wanted to share this with you. If it's just, I'm just real fortunate that I got out there when I did to check on it, because if it had sat there running, the engine would have been destroyed. So I just wanted to share that with you. If you've got any questions or any comments about this, feel free to send me a personal message. And you guys take care and have a great day, and God bless you. Bye-bye for now.